This is the Sierra PCB that was built for our new Launchpad. Before we get into all the features of this little thing, let's get into the manufacturing and design process of this printed circuit board. Alright, so this right here is the schematic for the Launchpad. As you can see, there's a lot of things going on here. Let me just quickly go over them for you. So right here is just a little SMD LED and RGB LED that's just going to show us the status really easily. Right here we just have a buzzer that will just beep during the countdown, things like that. This load cell right here is what's going to be amplifying the small signals from the load cell. That way this Arduino Nano, you can see right here, can actually read that data. And then on the bottom we have the outputs for the 3 servos that will act as the clamps, which will hold the rocket down right until the rocket is ready to lift off. Right here we just have a reset push button and just a programmable push button right here for anything we want. And we have a terminal block right here for an LED or any output we want. And then we have one for our relay. And then we have a power supply with our voltage divider and one for a little 7-segment display. So we can convert that to a PCB really easily using Easy EDA. And you can kind of see this is what our PCB is going to look like. And we have all the piezo right here, the 2 buttons, the RGB LED, all the resistors that we're going to put on. The Arduino Nano is going to fit right here, and the 3 servo outputs. And then we have the NRF24 wireless transceiver. So this is what's going to be on the Launchpad, and it's just going to control everything super easily. So we're going to go ahead, export it, and order the PCB.
1 week later.
The Launchpad computer is powered by an Arduino Nano. It has inputs for a load cell, and it also has a built-in amplifier. That way we can do thrust stand tests. It has an input for an NRF24 wireless transceiver. That way we can control this wirelessly with a separate controller. It has 3 servo outputs, can control a 3-channel relay, has outputs for a 7-segment display, and it can check continuity. Alright, so I've come up with some quick little code for this just to test if the servo output pin and the little 7-segment display thing works, along with the buzzer and the LED. Stuff like the relay stuff, super easy to test. I just tested that on my own. Same with the transceiver module. So let me quickly plug this in and let's see if it works. Okay, so the LED seems to be working. The buzzer is obviously working. If I push this button, this will test a signal button, and the servo motor should turn, and then this should just go over this little sequence of numbers. Alright, so the servo works, and it seems that the 7-segment display also works as well. That's really good news. So quickly, let me just test out the other pins here. So it has 3 servo outputs. Let's go ahead and test those. Reset. Press the signal button. Yep, those 3 sets of pins work. And let's test the last set of 3 pins right here. Reset. And then, yep, that one works as well. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Make sure to subscribe and like. But other than that, have a great day.